This is gonna be a weird video.
This my shit. Oh, tell her you're not my bitch. This my shit. Oh, tell her get off my dick. Digi dash, nitro gas. Time is passing, quick. I just want tonight to last. Life go fast, it tick.
E-brake, sir. Thanks, Poppy.
Look what you made me do.
Let's dip out his move. Yo, no one's. I don't know how I just saw that, but no one saw that.
I'm ready. If you ready, cock it back and hold it steady.
What did you just say about?
There's a rat in
Where, right here, Josh?
I'm not trying to I'm sorry.
Broke my dick.
On each side? Yeah. Straight, triangle, rectangle, trapezoid.
I should do triangle strong. Where's that tape measure, right? No, where's the one I had?
Dog, we do not need that little ass one.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry.
That little ass one got this wood here.
I'm sorry. Hey. Should I keep all these swears in? Why? Why?
True sound.
Did I say like ask before you speak?
One day in the fucking group conversation, you were like, "Stop talking."
Yeah, because you didn't want to take a drop for free.
You were about to make him just say, "Okay, I'm not getting it."
Josh. Is she gonna buff?
You're gonna buff in a second when I throw you on the ground.
Hey! What are we?
You're distracting me, Josh.
With what? Oh, Josh, I think you're going a bit extra on this.
Alright, we're good.
Josh, how many marshmallows did you have today?
0. I have Starburst.
Starbursts.
Starburst doesn't do that trick for him.
Wait, what's going on, Ryder? What's going on?
Gotta get the good!
What's going on, Ryder?
I don't have any brains! The whole time. Hey!
And I'm still on that
Hey, on the lawn!
You've been acting more entitled, less and less thankful. Curving everybody, but showing your best angle.
Back to the shot.
In my past,
Oh, my
God.
be less single, but
Touching,
I
not
stopped
touching.
texting.
Touching, not
You turn on me
touching.
like Steph Ankles. Look what you made me do.
Oh, and I see some leaking over here.
Look what you made me do.
You know, this is a good drop-in, but it's also a good picnic table. Who ordered the fries? Fries?
I ordered the Cajun ones.
Chicken bites? Chicken bites? Chicken bites? Alright, here you go.
So, Nick, how was your first experience?
Microwave.
Josh?
McDonald's fries.
And I work there. What the hell?
This is gonna be a weird video.
Don't go get 2-hour jug. And I said, I said, I'm not going to that shit.
What's the point of it? I'm not going there.
No, he said it was to like check up on all the kids and stuff. And I said,
Everybody stand back. Everybody back up.
You're gonna give us a 2-hour jug.
Someone's got to stay close.
Dumbest shit I ever.
Everybody back up.
Yo! It just ran a fall.
Everybody back up.
Piece by piece, Isaiah.
What the hell, Isaiah? No. Construction Ryan here. Tree cutting Isaiah here. Yeah.
Why is he careful?
Oh, me?
No, see it's on Ryder's property.
Get a f***ing life. He said that he used to be a sniper in the Navy. I said, if you were a sniper in the Navy, you wouldn't have told me you were a sniper in the Navy.
And he also said he was a, what is it, medic? Yeah.
No way you can go from a sniper to a medic.
Or from a medic to a sniper.
Is that even his property?
Yeah. Oh,
The
wait.
one that we
hold on.
decided on, no. It doesn't even hang over to his property either, so it doesn't.
No, he was saying that he was a sniper, but he doesn't like guns now.
Oh, we really should have asked what his
Yeah,
problem
you're not
was.
gonna go from a hardcore f***ing guy being a sniper to someone
Alright,
else.
He's just lonely. Maybe he needs a
He needs a buddy.
buddy.
Ryan knows his pal is
Dude,
his pal.
you hey, stop!
What are you doing?
Alright, do a burnout!
His dad approved it.
I can't.
Oh, just do one, just do one. Do one! I don't care! Bro!